out there, everybody. My name is Ashley, and together with my husband Peter, we have started this YouTube page, Ashley and Pete Travels. Unfortunately, Pete is not here with me today. He had to work, but I couldn't pass up an opportunity to see the Blue Angels at MacDill Air Force Base in Tampa, so let's go check them out. Personally, I'm not a fan of when people go on and on about all their travel plans, so we're going to skip all that, pretend that we're old friends, and just say, welcome old friends, hello new friends, let's go on an adventure together. Actually an Osprey, and I got a really funny story. So when Peter was in the Marines, he actually not only had to jump out of these a bunch of times into water, there was one time that everybody on the plane was asleep except him and the pilot, and the engine on the right side just went out. And he looked at the pilot, he's like, the engine looks like it's on fire. And the pilot goes, we'll see if we make it. So these Ospreys actually need more time to repair than actually fly. Behind me here is a C-135, and I think that's actually the plane that Peter flew when he was overseas, and they gave him the chance to fly it. I'll probably throw in a picture of it right now. But yeah, he flew one of these for a little while over Spain and Italy, I believe. Honestly, I'm sorry, I could be confusing my planes, but I knew he flew a very large one, similar to that size in Europe, so there you go. He'll probably correct me later on it. There's so much here to see and do. I'm kind of just waiting for the Blue Angels to come. They're coming in about an hour and a half, but this goes all the way down and then all the way down that way. It's a really, really big air show. The thing that freaks me out the most is knowing that there's actually somebody in that plane. I would be so sick, like, what?
Awesome, thank you.
For some of the crew members of the Blue Angels, it takes an entire team to really operate those planes. What I know about the Blue Angels, they're F-18 Hornets, and there are 6 of them, and Fat Albert, which is the big plane. And the 4 of them actually do like a diamond formation, while the other 2 numbers 5 and 6 kind of do cross patterns around that.
Bridging the gap between the Hercules and the Galaxy, the Globemaster 3. On the right, from Charleston Air Force Base in South Carolina, the high-speed pass of the Globemaster 3.
He was just saying that the plane flying right behind me in the air is 535,000 pounds. Look at that. While we're waiting for the Blue Angels, let's check out some of their merchandise at the merch table. Personally prefer my shirt. I got this in 2016 at my first air show, and every time I come, I've worn it every time since. The funniest thing at air shows is that because everything is in direct sunlight, everybody hangs out under the wings of the gigantic planes. Let me show you. This is literally the only shade you will find out here, and it is fully occupied. I'm in the shade. We got about 45 minutes before the Angels go on, so I guess I'm gonna try to go into that Osprey that we saw earlier. Now these planes, Ospreys, have a special place in my heart because when my husband and I lived in North Carolina, when he was stationed in Camp Lejeune, these would go over our house constantly, shake all of our china in our china cabinet, and the house would shake all times of the day. So a lot of great memories of these planes. Well, the line to get inside is that. So I'm just going to show you the inside. Again, keep in mind there's a person in there. They're about to go, but as you can see behind me, there's no way I can get anywhere up close, so we'll see from the air. They just took off, so they'll be coming this way in about 2 minutes. Came out and enjoyed it with me this beautiful day. Thanks for watching.